headed out from Airbnb right now, heading to day 2 at the track. Time attack going on, doing my final rounds because I'm paranoid as fuck that we're gonna forget something. This place was sweet. 14 minutes from the track, right on the lake. Very, very dope. So let's get out of here. After looking at all the footage we got yesterday, me and Nate quickly realized that we kind of blew it getting caught in the moment. We didn't get any outside shots of, like, you know, someone standing on the track waiting for us to come around. And I really wish we could have done that. We were looking at it yesterday and like, we really screwed that up. We're learning. This is, you know, we're rookies on this. So we'll definitely be getting better at it. But for what we got, we got a lot of cool content. The experience was good. We just completely missed the mark on that, on the outside exterior shots. So just look forward to the next episode that we come back here. We'll get our shit together. So I'll let Nate talk about it a little more when we get to the track, but after his last go last night, we noticed some really serious smoke coming from his exhaust, and not the kind of smoke that you want to see ever. Lots of blue smoke. So something happened yesterday that he's dreading right now. He's hoping it's just a bad valve seal. He looked online last night. He's going to do some compression tests when he gets back. And he was really bummed out last night. It felt really bad. So we're hoping for the best for Nate. Like I said, I'll let him talk about it a little more when we get to the track. But driving behind him right now, it doesn't look good. There's a lot of burning oil, and he's just, oh god, it's so bad, so much. But let's hope for the best. We came and raced yesterday because it's probably triple the amount of cars than yesterday. It'd be a fucking disaster out there on the course. So I'm just glad we got I'm glad we got some racing in yesterday. Holy shit, so many cars here. I'm not sure if you can hear me because it's really windy, it's really loud, but we've gotten back to the track. Everybody's already ripping around. This is super cool. There's so many good cars here. Got Speed Academy here, Gears and Gasoline, tons of cool YouTube channels. It's gonna be a great day. Hopefully it gets a little warmer because it's freezing. It's so windy. But hope you enjoy the content. We got some really cool cars to show you, and it's pretty wild right now. happened yesterday?
So yesterday, we really didn't get to talk about it. Kind of a bummer. Well, my last run, just driving like I was, just ripping it, and saw some smoke coming out the back of my car. Thought maybe just went around a turn and just went into the intake or something. Didn't think too much of it, but figured I'd do a cool down lap. So I did a cool down lap. Didn't really see too much smoke, so I thought I was good. Tried to hit it on the straight again, and it just poured smoke. So I got off the track. Yeah, there's something. I hurt the engine, so I don't know exactly what it is. Most likely piston rings or some kind of seal, but won't really know until I do a compression test when I get home. So we'll do that this week and hope for the best. My mind tells me it's piston rings and I really hurt the engine, but my heart says maybe it's something else and I'll get lucky. But chances are very, very slim that I'm going to get lucky on this one. Don't really have a spot to do that kind of work, pulling the engine and rebuilding an engine, so I don't know. Hopefully maybe we can find a way to do it if that's what needs to be done. Get some content on the channel with it, but I just don't know if I have the tools, the space to do all that much work on a car. So worst comes to worst, we'll just rock with my other S2K for the time being until I figure it out.
I'm gonna try to stay optimistic for you.
Yeah,
it's like
I'm trying to stay optimistic, but I mean there's so much oil that it's literally burning as it's just sitting there. The car is just running, not even in gear or anything.
Yeah, you guys saw when on our way here, I was driving behind Nate, and every time from first to second, I mean, he made a good point. I thought maybe in the higher gears it was not as bad, but it's probably just because he was going faster. So it was just constant.
Yeah, I have a constant smoke screen behind me. It's good for evading the cops.
It's really good for my my nasal passages too. It's pretty stinky. She's a stinky guy.
Yeah, so I don't know. I burned about probably a couple quarts driving like 10 minutes. So we'll see if we can make it home tonight.
That's the biggest objective right now.
Yeah,
is
driving
getting
home.
This car back.
It's gonna be tricky. We'll have to check her every once in a while and hope that we're not burning as much as I think we are. But if we are, then
because you didn't check the oil after we finished last night because it got dark.
I
did. You did?
Yeah, it was almost full still.
Holy cow!
And then now it was under low by a lot when we got back here. And that's like a half-hour driving.
Yeah, it's not good.
So that's just part of having a car that's modded and taking on a track. It's gonna happen, unfortunately. I mean, it's probably something I did wrong when I was with the parts I put on or something. I don't know. I'll have to regroup and we'll get something on the track again. We don't know if it'll be this car or not. I mean, we'll see.
Rooting for you. I know you'll figure it out, whether it's good or bad.
Yeah.
But
anyone wants to buy a S2000, it might be for sale pretty soon.
Objective, get Nate's car home starts now.
Fucked you a little bit?
Fucked me up just a little bit.
Just gonna go like... see where we're at there. Thanks, bud. Taking it for the team.
You're welcome. It's alright.
We got her full of oil, and we'll see how she's looking when we get to the next stop.
So we ended up leaving the Time Attack event a little earlier than we expected. We had a good time there. It was a really cool event. There was a lot of cool cars, but we really just need to get Nate's car home. Last time I came out here with him, he broke an axle and he had to get towed to the border. He had like his car on 3 separate tow trucks, and it was like 12 hours of chaos for him. It felt so bad. So we're just gingerly driving back. We really just want to get his car back to the States, so it can be way less of a headache than it has to be. It's burning so bad right now. I feel like it's burning worse than when we were driving to the track and from home from the track yesterday. So it really sucks. I feel really bad for him. He put a lot of work and time and obviously money into this car. It's pretty much his prized possession, baby car, I guess you could say. And seeing him defeated like this kind of just sucks. So I'm hoping he can fix it. But as optimistic as you can be, he doesn't seem like it's going to be an easy fix. So we're going to get home. Cross your fingers for us.
Well, we're running the 0W20 to see what happens. She works.
It's a little... Oh, fuck.
Alright. Just a little splash.
Just to keep up with it. It's the first time we stopped. We just filled up our tanks, got gas, and now we are making the trek home. Let's hope this works. So, after the fact of buying that and Nate's theory, he quickly realized that he had it backwards. The smaller the number, the thinner the oil. So instead of like buying a thicker oil that he thought he was going to, he bought the thinnest. But I mean, it's gonna be burned anyways, so fuck it. We're just gonna send it.